are keeping our eye on several things going into not only our Thursday, but especially into next week. Want to break it all down for you. Big area of high pressure. It's been the dominating feature for the vast majority of the month of October. That proximity to a storm system moving in off towards our north will increase our wind speeds throughout the day on Thursday. Windy conditions as a cold front does pass through. We'll notice that through Thursday, and we'll be dry along with that. So high fire danger across a lot of the state. And heading into Friday on the slightly cooler side, but high pressure builds back up into the weekend before a strong storm system moves in off the coast of the Pacific Northwest and brings us not only a drop in our temperatures, a shake up in the weather pattern, and the potential to see some snow and even some rain. So we'll certainly keep our eye on that. For today, color on our map here, want to pull in the red flag warning first. We have a red flag warning for the vast majority of the day as winds could gust in a lot of places as much as 40 miles per hour, but some isolated gusts of around 60 miles per hour for the plains up into the mountains, certainly not out of the question. We've been dry. We're going to stay dry today, and humidity will drop to about 15%. So something to be mindful of. No activity outdoors today that could cause a spark because those fires could spread rapidly. Look what happens to your winds through the afternoon. We start to see these strong gusty winds into northern Colorado and northeastern Colorado first before they advance into the Denver area. It will be a windy day today. Just be mindful of that. Not that comfortable as far as it feels like outside because of the wind, but the winds will relax quickly tonight. As the cold front does move through, few showers possible into our far northern mountains, the Colorado-Wyoming border. Otherwise, we will stay dry across the rest of the state today and into the day tomorrow. Looking ahead to the weekend as well. Temperatures for your Thursday getting into the upper 60s, low 70s across the Front Range. A touch cooler than where we were yesterday. Still running warmer than normal with low 80s possible into the southeast. The cold front passes through tonight, and it will drop our temperatures tomorrow morning. We're talking quite the cool down for places like Greeley into Sterling, Kimball, northeastern Colorado, dropping around that freezing mark. Temperatures in the 20s for Steamboat, Estes Park, Craig. So we have a frost advisory in place for all the places that you see in that light blue color from midnight until tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Temperatures as low as 32 mean we could see that patchy frost possible. So if you have some plants outside, any outdoor vegetation you might need to cover, that would be something you might want to do tonight into early tomorrow morning to protect that. Then into the northwestern corner, a freeze watch in place as temperatures could drop as low as 28 degrees. So hard freeze conditions overnight and into tomorrow for the northwest. As we warm into tomorrow afternoon, we'll be getting into the mid-60s, feeling a little more like fall, a few degrees warmer than normal. But we're back into the 70s and 80s and into the weekend. And the start of the next week, warm. 80 degrees for Monday, but look what happens Monday into Tuesday. We drop into the 50s, and in true Colorado fashion, we'll go from highs in the 80s on Monday to lows in the 30s by Tuesday. So quite the swing there. And looking at cold conditions lasting through Wednesday, rain, not ruling out a few flakes possible. We'll keep our eye on that as it does get closer. But as of now, it looks like while Halloween will be cool, it should be dry at this point.